What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. We're still doing them. Obviously, Luna Classic has lost some of its momentum, but the community is still very strong. I know that also on this channel, or within the Cilinix Crypto community. So I'm still covering it daily, looking at the fundamentals, looking at the technicals. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the fundamentals behind Luna Classic, like what is needed for another rally, which it's definitely possible. Even though I haven't been hugely positive about Luna Classic over the last week, it's still very possible to to get a rally. So we'll talk about what needs to happen. But first of all, what I always do is we take a look at the burn tax. Burn tax was a little bit higher 2 days ago. Yesterday it was ridiculously low again. At some point I might not even show this anymore unless something like this happens. Because yeah, it's just like the on-chain volume has increased because now the burn tax is 0.2%. It used to be 1.2%, so you should actually multiply this by 6 to get like this. So if we still had that burn tax, we would now burn 180 million, which is, well, right, that's not an increase. It's decent, but it's not an increase. Apart from that, Binance burn yesterday, I missed how much that was. You can always check that out. Ooh, 1.2 billion. I actually said it was probably going to be 1.7 or 1.8 billion. But still, compared to, like, right now we have burned through 26 billion, which is amazing, but it's still like 0.33% of the total supply. So it's not doing a lot. And that's actually something I wanted to talk about those burns, because in the end, to talk a little bit about the fundamentals, in the end, we got this huge bull run, and we got this huge community and strong community as well, all because of the burn tax. All right, and now the burn tax is completely gone. We got this move because of the Binance burns, I believe. That's also gone. So we still have that great community, but we don't have the strong fundamentals anymore. All right, and those fundamentals are the only thing that could push us up. We could have a Robinhood listing, we could have a Coinbase listing. The only thing that's going to do is that's going to make us shoot up to like 29,000, 30,000, and then slowly start dropping back down again. All right, so that's not the answer. In my opinion, the only way in which Luna Classic, and which could definitely happen, I once again want to say, the only way in which Luna Classic could go up again and could get some sort of a rally is if we get some sort of a new burn proposal. All right, that's the only way. We can actually, because of the strong community and the relatively bullish market right now, I really do think we can still consolidate right here between 26,000 and 23,500. I do expect a drop down towards this 22,000 level at some point, but I think we can hold that consolidation as long as the market is pretty bullish, and as long as the community is still there. And the community might decrease slowly over time while we're consolidating, but it will not decrease to super low levels. All right, so I do think we can still do that, but if we would really want to break above 26 and 27,000 and do something like this, what we need to do is we need to come up with some sort of a proposal. So I would definitely, if you're a part of the community, I would definitely push for some sort of a proposal that like either increases the ecosystem with some sort of a burn included in that, or some sort of a burn upfront. Like I don't know. It's hard. You can be creative with it. But something needs to be done about that. Otherwise, as I said, we're just going to do something like this. Consolidate, then drop down, and then slowly start dropping down over time, because the community was here for that huge burn. Huge burn didn't come. And now it's just a coin that you're holding that's not doing anything, because Luna Classic, the TERRA Classic ecosystem is not big at this point of time. With that, like with the 0.2% burn tax, some part also goes to ecosystem development. That's not a lot, while the volume is dropping and we're almost not burning through any to Luna Classic. So that's, in my opinion, the only thing that can be done. But yeah, so far it's also technicals. As I said, I think we'll just consolidate a little bit. We'll have some important fundamentals tomorrow with the interest rates. More about that in a specific video about that tomorrow. But For now, that's my take on the technicals and especially the fundamentals for Luna Classic in this quick Luna Classic market update. If you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.